everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be something that I really love to do. I go to the thrift store to pick up art supplies all the time, and I find some really cool stuff. I found glitter, paints, sheets, and I actually found really beautiful vintage looking photo frames, and I decided to turn them into DIY gifts for my friends. So I'm just going to show you guys the process, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's just get into it. Here we are at the thrift store, and as you can see, they have such an amazing collection of items to choose from. These are such cute frames, and just for $4.99. And this is one of the frames that I picked up. Although it doesn't look completely new, it is from a thrift store after all. But just look at these beautiful etching details. Like, I love this frame. I started off by making a cute little sketch, and for this image I actually took a couple of reference photos and just sort of blended them together. As a mixed medium artist, I love to take advantage of all the different mediums I have and just kind of mix them together to get my desired results. The very first thing that I like to do is color block using watercolor pencils, and I do this to sort of get a feel for the palette. And this is an excellent choice for this because since they're water soluble, once you use water-based paints on them, there's no really visible lines or trace of them. I begin the layering process with a light wash of watercolors. Also, let me warn you guys, I work with a lot of layers, and I feel like that helps me get in the right headspace before I start using gouache. So for those of you who don't know, gouache is water-based, and what that means is that even though it's way more pigmented, sort of opaque than watercolors, it blends really well, and you can kind of temper the consistency by adding less or more water to the paint. I've actually done a detailed review of this brand of gouache paints, so feel free to check it out on my channel for more information. I draw on gouache with watercolor pencils, and I do this because they're easily visible on the paint, and also since they're water based, they just kind of disappear once I use gouache, so that's a really useful trick to do. Also, I just want to take a moment to talk about art being more sustainable in general. Like personally, I feel like there's so much trash and so much things that we throw away each day, and I try to make art as sustainable as I can. So if you guys have any ideas of art like tricks, how you guys do it, do let me know in the comments below. So in case you guys are wondering what I'm making, I'm actually making a koi lake, you could say, and I'm planning to put, like as you can see, a cute fish in there, and I'm also planning to put a little boat with the fish kind of swimming under it and just give it this really magical sort of look. I'm also adding these lily pads, and as you can see, they're all in different shades, and that's because they're at different lengths, and this is a really good way of giving some depth to your painting. I'm adding details to the fish, and as you can see, I'm working with multiple layers. This is simply because I'm trying to make it look as if the fish is underwater, and that is slightly challenging to achieve. So hopefully I get it right. Also guys, I have a really nice surprise for you at the end of this video. I'm gonna be showing you the other two paintings that I put together in this thrift flip series of mine, so stay tuned. So to really make it look like the fish is underwater, I actually did a layer of really washed out light blue, and I think that kind of made it look like he was underwater. Now that the painting is almost done, we start to add the little details, and I do this with a mixture of really tiny brushes and these kind of brush pens. And to really make it look like it's underwater, I'm gonna add these details with a really tiny brush and white paint. This is one of my absolute favorite ways of adding a magical touch to my paintings. I repurpose an old toothbrush to make these really natural organic splatters. And finally, we're done with this cute DIY gift. I really do hope that it sparked some ideas for you guys. And as promised, here is the process video for the other two paintings that I made. I feel so bad that I didn't really take a full step-by-step video, but I absolutely love how they turned out. You can find all of my short process videos on my Instagram, so please go ahead and check my account out if you already aren't following me. So this was the cutest reaction that I could have got from someone receiving this gift. And like I said, guys, DIY gifts are so much more meaningful than just store-bought things. And this painting I made for somebody who loves cherry blossoms. So I painted Mount Fuji with little cherry blossom trees in front of it. And I absolutely love this painting, and also the frame that I found for it. It's so beautiful. In case you guys are wondering, this is home sweet home for my paintings. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys really liked it and enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you guys would like to see some different kind of content, do let me know in the comments. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And I'll see you guys soon because I have so much more exciting stuff coming up. So take care till then.